This is Three-Step Genius Test, a viral interactive brain teaser challenge. Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. This is level 1, where you have 4 easy questions about car brand logo. Question 1. Which Japanese car brand uses 3 overlapping ovals as its logo? Here is a hint. This Japanese automaker is the world's largest car manufacturer and is known for reliability and the slogan, "Let's go places." Here is the answer revealed. The answer is Toyota. Question number 2. Which electric car brand uses a stylized letter T as its logo? Here is a hint. This American company was founded by Elon Musk and is known for revolutionizing electric vehicles. Here is the answer revealed. The answer is Tesla. Question number 3. Which luxury car brand uses a 3-pointed star as its logo? Here is a hint. This German automaker is known for its premium vehicles and the slogan, "The best or nothing." Here is an answer revealed. The answer is Mercedes-Benz.
Questions number 4. Which Chinese electric vehicle brand has a logo featuring its initials in a silver oval? Here is a hint. This brand's name stands for Build Your Dreams, and it is the world's largest EV manufacturer.
Here is the answer. It is BYD. Now here is level 2. I have 4 questions of medium level. Questions number 4. Which car brand's logo features a cluster of 6 stars inspired by the Pleiades constellation? Here is a hint. This Japanese automaker is known for its symmetrical all-wheel drive system and boxer engines. Here is the answer. The answer is Subaru. The 6 stars in the logo represent the Pleiades star cluster, which is what Subaru means in Japanese. It also symbolizes the 6 companies that merged to form Fuji Heavy Industries. Questions number 6. Which German car brand's logo features a prancing horse and the coat of arms of Stuttgart? Here is a hint. This luxury sports car maker was founded by Ferdinand in 1931 and is headquartered in Stuttgart, Germany. Here is the answer. The answer is Porsche. The crest combines the Stuttgart city horse with the Baden-Württemberg coat of arms. Ferdinand Porsche founded the company in 1931, and it remains one of the world's most iconic sports car brands. Question number 7. Which Japanese car brand's logo features a stylized wing or flame shape inside an oval? Here is a hint. This brand is headquartered in Hiroshima and is known for its rotary engines and the popular MX-5 Miata sports car. Here is the answer revealed. The answer is Mazda. The winged M symbol represents the company's desire to soar into the future. Mazda was founded in 1920 in Hiroshima, Japan, and is famous for its innovative rotary engine technology. Questions number 7. Which Chinese tech-turned-car brand's logo features a minimalist rounded square shape? Here is a hint. This company is famous for smartphones and smart home devices, and recently entered the EV market with a sleek electric sedan. Here is answer revealed. The answer is Xiaomi. The rounded square logo represents Xiaomi's philosophy of blending technology with life. Xiaomi entered the EV market in 2024 with the SU7, a high-performance electric sedan that quickly became a bestseller in China. The final level, the impossible one. Questions number 8. Which German car brand's logo features 4 interlocking rings in a horizontal row? Hint. This premium brand is part of the Volkswagen Group and its name means listen in Latin, known for its quattro all-wheel drive system. The answer is Audi. The 4 rings represent the 4 companies that merged in 1932 to form Auto Union, Audi, DKW, Porsche, and Wanderer. Today, Audi is one of Germany's most prestigious luxury car brands. Questions number 9. Which American car brand's logo features a ram's head with large curved horns? Hint. This brand is famous for its muscle cars like the Challenger and Charger and uses a bold, aggressive animal symbol. The answer is Dodge. The ram's head symbolizes power and determination. Dodge was founded in 1900 by the Dodge brothers in Detroit and is known for iconic American muscle cars. Questions number 10. Which Japanese car brand's logo features 3 red diamond shapes arranged in a triangular pattern? Hint: the brand name literally translates to 3 diamonds in Japanese. They are well known for their SUVs and the Lancer Evolution. The answer is Mitsubishi. The 3-diamond mark dates back to 1870 and combines the 3-leaf crest of the Tosa clan with the 3-diamond crest of the Iwasaki family. Mitsubishi literally means 3 diamonds in Japanese.